Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use my program to detect snores. First of all, we need to obtain the data we are going to process. So my program take 20,000 Hertz sampling rate audio data, like this channel here, showing here. We select the portion of recording we want to process and export it as MATLAB file .mat, and you can call this file any name and store it at any place. So I'm calling it Siki. So we don't have any comments or event markers. Select current selection and 32-bit floating point data and click OK. So the program is included in this Siki.program folder. So we copy the Siki.mat into the data folder inside the Siki program folder, and there should be only one .mat file in this data folder. Then we double click on main.m, and this will open the MATLAB program. So to run this program, we just simply click on Run Main. So the results are snore count 149, noise count 24, and that's it.